What we have here is a 42-inch JC Penny Hugger made by Alaska. That's the thing. This is a 42-inch fan, as I've already mentioned. It is in a brass finish. That's probably polished brass, if I had to guess. It's got 5 blades. They're cane. Cane on one side, just plain, whatever this is. Might be walnut or something. I don't really know. Try and show you the tag. It's up here. There's the tag. Hopefully you can read it. You see in the top corner it says July 86. So this is from 1986, July of 1986. It's 3-speed reversible, but since it's from 1986 and it's not, and I'm in Canada, it has a reverse chain. As you can see, it's marked on the switch housing. You can see that. So this one is for reverse. This one is the fan chain. If you may remember, this was installed in the living room of my cabin. There it is over there. I'm in the garage. It's the can arm twister. I replaced it with the Home Decorators Collection Ashby Park 2 weekends ago. I installed this last weekend. It's got the pointy tip blades, I think those are. And this one is not like the standard ceiling fan, where it goes, first pull is high, second pull is medium, third pull is low, and fourth pull is off. This one goes high, low, medium, high instead of high, medium, low. That's just a thing these Alaska things did. You can see the light. I have a light socket. This was from an old light fixture I was throwing away, and I kept the socket because I knew I'd need it sometime. This is the only real light I have for it because we need the light to fill this gap, because if I didn't have it, it wouldn't, it's not the greatest light. And I had to unscrew it because there's no, the socket is just wired in for the light connection, and since this is just a socket, it has no switch. But I can turn, if the fan is off, then I can control both the fan from the main light switch for the ceiling lights. This just replaced one of these plastic sockets. This is a Cooper one, Cooper wiring devices. That's what it looks like. I'll put that back if I ever have to take it down for any reason, and put the light back. Anyway, well, this pull chain is not original. It's off of the can arm twister. So I've got this SMC one I have on there for now. Go ahead and start this out on low. Just unscrew this to, so there's no glare. This is a remake video, I guess. There's a bottom shot, I guess. You get a top shot. There you go. Go ahead and move on to medium. And you're seeing the factory speeds instead of the wall control speed, because I had this on a wall control when it was on the when it was in the living room. Kind of looks cool when the cane is spinning, because you can see the white of the cane, and then you can see like the darker edges of the blades, the walnut blades. I think they're walnut. Go ahead and turn it on high. There's a decent amount of air. Of course, being this as an unfinished, it has lots of air to pull from the rafter spaces up there. Just screw in the light. Strobe fest when the fan is on and the light is on. Sorry, there was an Amber Alert on my phone. There we go. Got to do the and put it on to, I think this is low. Yeah, it's on low. I'll give you an airflow test. On low, it gives a little gentle breeze, but it's not like... I can't be stepping on that. I'll move this all the way. Go ahead and put it back to high. Where's that high? There we go. And we'll do a quick spin down. Give you a shot of both of these. I've never done anything with fans, so the bearings are original. It doesn't make any bearing noise, so I assume they're pretty good. Well, there you go. Try and give you a start noise. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.